Alright, so I think I found this for like $2.50. I always forget I have these things. I mean, I think I reviewed one. I think I reviewed one that I bought off Amazon. Probably totally forgot I had this one. Alright, so I don't know. Yeah, so let's see. Gotta open this thing up. It's got some teeth on this thing. Buddy. There we go. What kind of torque do you think this thing has? Let's just turn one knob and it opens. Yeah. Alright, let's see if these batteries are corroded. Huh, look okay. Where's the pointer? Pointer. Okay. It turns on a light. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. That's a T8. Is T8 the biggest? Damn. T8 looks like the biggest one. Huh. Yeah, T7 down to a T3. I wonder if I even have that on camera. And then these things. A PZ1. CRVPZ00. I guess this is the biggest one here. It's a PH1. What's the smallest we got here? A V10. V10 flathead. Smallest flathead. Up to a... Let's see what this is. V2.5. Okay. So let's see what kind of torque this thing has. Let's see. It's supposed to be a V10 on this thing. So that's not going to work. Alright, so that sucks. You can't lock this thing in position. Alright. So you can't lock it. You can't lock the motor. So what do you do with something that's over tightened? I guess when it's over tightened, you can do it till it stops and then turn it. Alright, so let's give this a try on one that is, it's not going to be able to undo. What is that doing? Stripping? Alright, so that's a square. Okay. So this doesn't come with squares. Okay, this doesn't come with squares. Because of two types of Phillips head, the pointy and the non-pointy. Okay. Okay, so I'm struggling with something to try to take apart. Let's see. Alright, so that worked. That's tightening. Now let's try one that wasn't tight before. Alright, so that's interesting. I don't know if it's the right head. Did I strip that? So engaging it to loosen it and then turning it. So I guess that's what you have to do. Power it in the direction you want to go. When it stops, then manually turn it. That's actually the wrong tip for that one. So when you're taking it out of here, you should use the one you're about to get rid of. Let's see if this one is more correct for that screw. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So all right, well, that was longer than I really should have been. Yeah, well, there you go. It works. And to know, they're kind of giving you a hint. I don't know if they really are, but take the batteries out so they don't corrode in there. That's the hint I'm getting. It's actually a good idea. That's pretty cool that they have that. Probably the best thing of the whole thing. All right, where is the slots? Here's the slots. Here. Well, here's your line. That's probably the best thing, to give you a spot to put the battery and encourage you to do it because it's there. All right. That was semi-fun. You gonna throw up yet?
No.
Well, no.
No.
You gonna fart?
No.
I think you're gonna throw up.
Why?
I don't know.
Chuck, stop.
Stop what?
Stop saying I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, well, no.
No. Chuck, stop. Can you stop this?
You gonna throw up?
No, yeah. Duh. Chuck, stop. I said stop.
You gotta undo it by going the other way. How about now?
Yeah, better.